Okay, next we want to take a look at the SQL Server logs. Now, if you can get to this server, then you want to expand the server. You want to expand management. You pick on SQL Server logs, and you're going to double-click on one of the logs. Now, at this point, you can do an export, maybe to an Excel file or a text file. You can do a filter. You can do searches, and then you can also open up the other logs. So they've made looking at your logs a little bit easier and cleaner than the previous versions, and you can look at the different logs there. Now, sometimes you can't even get to the server, so this method wouldn't work to look at the logs. So let me show you maybe another way. I want to minimize the server, and let's go to our operating system. So I'm going to pick on Windows Explorer, and we'll go into my computer, and then we're going to go into the C drive. We're going to go into Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server. In this case, we are going to go into 100, which is the first server for SQL Server 8.0. And then at this point, and then we found our logs over here. And then you can look at those with the text editor. As we can see. So sometimes you have to go into that folder. So let me show you the folder again, because make sure you see that. We picked Microsoft SQL Server from Program Files. We went into the SQL Server over here, MS SQL, and then we have log, and then you can get to your log files. Sometimes you have to go in this way because the server is actually down, and maybe the log files can tell you why they're down. So that's how we can manage our log files.